Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change your league rules in ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Fantasy app on your phone and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once you are in, tap on My Team. After that, tap on League at the top right corner. Once you are on your league settings, remember only the commissioner can change league rules, so make sure you are logged in as the commissioner. In the menu, you will see a different section for league rules like player format, schedule, scoreboard. Tap any section you want to change, then select the option that fits your league. For example, you can adjust how many points or touchdown is scored or how many teams make the playoff. After making all your changes, scroll down and tap save to apply them. Double check everything because once the season starts, some rules may be locked and can't be changed. And that's it. You have successfully updated your league rules on ESPN Fantasy Football app using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.